Hi everyone, it's Karen here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is specifically about that. What is art journaling? Let's start with the basics. We know what journaling is. Journaling is basically writing a diary or writing your thoughts and feelings and ideas when you do it on a book, in a piece of paper, or sharing your emotions. But most of it is done either on paper or nowadays on a computer. Now, when I was a kid, many people kept a diary where basically they journaled how they felt or what happened that day. And I really tried to do that daily, which never worked. And then many years later, I realized that you don't really have to do it every day. You just do it whenever you feel like you need to write something. There's people that keep journals after journals of their feelings and things that happen to them and how they express themselves. These are written journals. And some people do this on a computer or on some kind of technology. Even video recordings, things like recording themselves on how they feel on a daily basis, weekly basis, and so forth. I mean, a lot of people on YouTube are basically doing it publicly now, where they're sharing their lives on a daily basis. But art journaling specifically is the same concept, but related to art. So in this case, you're journaling through art. So you're still expressing your emotions, you're sharing your emotions, you're releasing those emotions or the words that you want to express, but in an art form. Now, it could be many different types of art forms. So art journaling is subjective to what you like. So if you love drawing, then your art journal might have drawings and doodling and pencil marks, and will use watercolor pencils or just regular pencils or markers. Then if you love art journaling through mixed media, then you will be using mediums and sprays and gels, and everything will basically correlate one with the other. You might use collaging and just old magazines or newspapers. The possibilities are endless, and I have hundreds and hundreds of videos on art journal pages. But what I really want to emphasize is what art journaling is exactly. And what it is that you're actually taking something that you want to put into words, but instead of putting into words, you're putting it into art. Your words, your emotions, and your expressions are turning into art on a page. Now, art in general is that exact thing where you're putting your emotions on a canvas or on some kind of piece or in an altered project. But art journaling specifically is done in a book. Now, there's many different types of books, and you can watch my video on the different types of art journaling books that are out there. I basically compare them all, and I will link that below right here. But art journaling is basically a means to express yourself in a book. And you can use words. So some people actually journal on their artwork. But it's the combination of the journaling with the art that makes art journaling so special. And I have to tell you, when the big movement started for art journaling, I didn't understand the craze. I really didn't get it. I didn't understand why I would have to make something in such a small book where I can make it on a bigger canvas and I can paint. I just didn't understand that until I actually did it. Now, I think a lot of the art journaling that I saw at the beginning wasn't my style. It was a style where they were women drawn on paper, colored with watercolor pencils, and that was something that I couldn't relate to. And I wasn't a good drawer, so I was like, oh, I don't want to do art journaling. I didn't realize that art journaling could be anything. It's basically putting art on paper, and it has so many different purposes. And that's why I encourage you to watch that other video on the reasons why I art journal. And I'll just go quickly through some of those, just because I'll just mention them, but you can really go watch that video to really understand why I art journal. Besides releasing the emotions, that was number one and the most important one. It's also a way of experimenting, because you can try on different products. And it's also like a piece of paper, so if it doesn't work out, you can just like turn the page. And that is really important, because so many times we want to do this really big canvas, but we don't really know what we like, how the products react with each other, especially if they're new products. Art journaling helps you do that. And you can be messy and you can be imperfect, and it doesn't really matter. It's yours and it's inside a book, and you can close that book and put it away, or you can tear the page if you don't like it, and nobody cares. It's your book, it's your expression, it's something that you want to do, and it doesn't really matter if it's right or wrong, because there's no such thing in art journaling. There's no such thing in art. It's all subjective, and it's all what we decide we want to do. So I hope you understood what art journaling is. If you have any questions, please comment or ask them in the comment area. And thank you so much, everyone, and have an amazing day. Bye.